Another fall day. We had a record amount of rain there, so for the year, and it's only October 31st, so we got 2 more months to go. This tree blew down yesterday. I had about 20 trees fall on me yesterday here at this site. I don't think there's any plan in place to take care of dead trees. There's another dead one over there. There's a fairly tall dead one right there leaning over the road. We'll look at it. So this is leaning right over the road here. Another dead one. Bark's falling off. Could reach the road. It's a little off the road, but still. The road's right here. Old Chippy here was working double time yesterday. So to me, having no plan is not really a plan. And it's costing me money because I have to run out here. That's 4 times in the last 2 weeks. I plan a day's work, and private work I can make good money on, and I get emergency calls to come out here and take care of trees, one after the other. Like I said, 4 times in 2 weeks. 2 Sundays ago, I was here at 2 o'clock in the morning. I got a call at 9:30 at night while my son was in hockey. His game is from 9:30 till 10:30, and I was pretty tired after coming back from the game. And I just said, well, I'll get a couple hours sleep and I'll go in early in the morning. Well, I woke up at 1:30 in the morning, couldn't sleep anymore. Decided to head over here and take care of those trees on the road. There was a heck of a wind came through here. So I got a message from one of the tech guys out here that 4 trees had fallen on the road, and I'm in a spot where 3 more had fallen. One came down and knocked a couple other ones down, but there's still more dead trees up there. There's one up there. I don't know if you can see it. It's out of the screen, out of the shot. And the next day I was out here taking care of these, so that's twice. And here, look, there's more laying down. This one's laying sideways here. You can see it. Didn't make it to the road, but my windshield's very, very dirty, so I'm going to clean it for you. We got one more poplar tree to get down there. It's pretty tall. First one's done. Okay, well, the wind's blowing the right way. We didn't put a rope in that tree. We're just going to drop it. Flop it right in the bush there, and then push it on top of the other one. I think this job pays enough to cover a crew for 2 days, and it's only going to take us an hour, so it's a nice job. I don't get many like this. Have to go push it. I don't see it going anywhere yet. no matter which way it falls here, it can't damage anything, so I'm just kind of hoping it goes where I want in the bush there. He's putting in the felling wedge to get it started. The wind's blowing it the way we want it to go, so it's pretty straight, so it should go where we want. Perfect shot. It's going right where we want. Well, the job's all done, and like I said, that covers 2 days, a crew for 2 days. So maybe that'll pay for I have to put a new injector pump on this tractor and get it rebuilt, and maybe that'll pay for a part of it. Hopefully, all of it. Thanks for watching.